Welcome to SoftEdge Academy. In today's video, we're going way back in time to explore the history and magic of one of the first ever computing tools, the abacus. The abacus was invented by the Chinese over 4,000 years ago. It's a simple wooden frame with rods and beads, but it changed how humans calculated numbers forever. Each rod on an abacus represents a different place value, like ones, tens, and hundreds. The beads are moved to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even division. Back then, there were no calculators, no phones, only tools like the abacus to solve complex math problems. And guess what? It's still used today in many countries to teach arithmetic to young children. So remember, the abacus may be ancient, but it laid the foundation for the computers we use today. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe to SoftEdge Academy for more cool computer science lessons.